Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will give you instructions on how to use our Facebook form automation software, Facebook forming reel form version, to watch reels, videos, and stories automatically. First step on, please visit Qnibot.com website, then you click on payment guide here. Follow the instructions to create an account, then top up your account. After that, you click on software, choose box from farm. Next, click on Facebook farming reel form. You can see the description of each package here, including trial, 1 year, then lifetime. Next, you choose the package you want to buy a package session. For example, I choose 1 year. Then, you enter the number of license you want to buy into this quantity session. For example, I enter 1. Then click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card. Then click Checkout to make payment. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, choose license key. Then you will see the provided license key here. We will use this key later. Next, you click on Download button to download the software. This is a downloaded file, Facebook file box from Proxies. Right-click on this file, then choose Extract here. You will see these two setup files. Then you double-click on this file, setup.exe. Then you will see this Facebook form setup dialog box. You click on Install and wait for the installation. After that, you will see the Welcome to the Facebook form setup wizard dialog box. Click Next. Then you will see Select Installation Folder. Click on Browse here to choose the installation folder. You can click on this icon to create a new folder. For example, I choose this folder. Click on this one, then click OK. An important note is that you do not save the installation folder of this software in the program files 86 folder index C or any folder whose name has special characters. Then you click Next. You will see Confirm Installation dialog box. Click Next. And wait for installation. Then you will see Installation Complete dialog box. Click Close. Back to your desktop. You will see Facebook form box from shortcut. Double-click on this shortcut. Then you will see this Facebook forming box from dialog box. For this key session, you need to back to your Qnibot account. This is my Qnibot account. Choose license key here. You will see the license management table. This is the provided key. You click Copy here, then click OK. Next, you paste the copy key into this key session. Next, click Launching. Then you will see this interface of Facebook forming reel form version box. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any features here. Now I will instruct you to set up the basic settings. First of all, you click on Devices tab. After connecting reel phone or phone box, you click on Setup phone here. Then, at Track Phone Session, you enter the number of phones you want to set up at the same time. For example, I enter 20. Finally, you click Start here to set up box phone. After setting up the box phone successfully, you back to the Home tab. Then you need to set up these basic settings, including choose a script option, control center, and network. First, we choose a script option box. At script name session, you enter the script name that you want to create. For example, enter text. Next, you click on this plus icon to add the script. Then, at select a script option session, you click on this bar to choose the script that you want to use. For example, I choose last. Next, come to this session. You tick on randomize the order of actions in case you want to randomize the selected features and action session here. For example, if I choose these 3 features and tick on this session, the bot will run these 3 features randomly. Otherwise, if you want the bot to run selected features in order, you do not tick on randomize the orders of actions. Next is folder backup session. You create a new folder. Then open this folder, copy this path, then paste it into folder backup session. At the first launching, our software will save the Facebook account cookies in this folder. In the next run, the software will use the saved cookie and will not need to launching Facebook accounts again. Come to repeat after minutes session. In case you want the bot to repeat selected functions and action session, you tick on repeat after minutes here. Then you enter the range of time in minutes you want the bot to rest before repeating the selected features here. For example, I enter 2 to 3. Our software will randomly rest for 2 to 3 minutes before repeating the selected features in action box. In case you do not want to repeat the selected actions, you do not need to tick on repeat other minutes here. Next, if you want to self-capture manually when the software launching Facebook accounts, you tick on self-capture manually here. Otherwise, you do not tick on this option. Next, come to this network box. At network session, you select one of 4 choices, including no proxy, proxy from file, proxy from account data, and HMA VPN. In case you do not want to use proxies, you select no proxies. Our Facebook farming bot will use the IP connected to your PC. Remember that if you use one IP address to run multiple Facebook accounts, the imported accounts can be banned. Therefore, you should use proxies. You can refer to proxyshield.com to buy the best proxy. Next, in case you want to use proxy from file, you choose proxy from file here. Then you click on Enter File button. You will see the Import Proxy dialog box. Then, in this proxy list box, you enter the proxy in format IP:port or IP:port proxy username proxy password. You enter each proxy on one line. For example, these are the proxies that I want to use. I enter each proxy on one line. Next, at the accounts per proxy session, you enter the number of Facebook accounts that you want to use with one proxy. For example, if I enter 4 here, our bot will launching 4 Facebook accounts with one imported proxy. Then, at proxy import options, you have 2 choices. If you want the bot to use proxies in order, you select sequence. If you want the bot to use random proxies, you choose random. Next, if you tick on Do not enter accounts that already have proxy, the bot will not use proxies in this file. to launching accounts that you imported with Proxy. I will instruct you to import accounts with Proxies later at Add Account section here. Otherwise, if you want to use the imported proxy here to launching Facebook account, whether the account has been imported with Proxies or not, you do not click on this section. Finally, you click Add. Come to the next choice, Proxy from Account Data. In case you select this choice, you need to import proxies with Facebook accounts. I will instruct you later at Add Account section. Next, in case you want to use VPN, you choose HMA VPN here. Next, come to Add IMAP section. In case you use Facebook account that require accessing IMAP to get verification codes, you can click on Add IMAP section here to fix IPs when the bot accesses IMAP. Next, you click on this icon. You will see the Import Proxy dialog box. Then you import proxy in format IP address, bot, proxy username if any, proxy password if any. Each proxy is on one line. For example, these are the proxies that I want to use. The format here is IP address, port. Each proxy is on one line. Then at proxy repeat session, you enter the number of times you want the software to reuse your proxies. For example, I enter 2 here. The bot will reuse each proxy 2 times. Then you click Save. Click OK. In case you do not take on Add Proxy IMAP, our bot will use the IP connected to your PC to access IMAP and get verification codes in needed cases. Come to the Control Center box here. First, at number of track session, you enter the number of phones you want the bot to run at the same time. For example, if I put 20 here, the bot will use 20 phones to launch in 20 Facebook accounts and run at the same time. Next, you click on Add Account button here to import Facebook account. Then you will see Add Accounts dialog box. You click on Add button here to create a new folder for saving Facebook accounts. The Add Folder dialog box will display. You enter the name of folder you want to create into this folder name section. Then click Add. Next, I select a folder section. Click on this bar to choose the folder you want to use. For example, I select Test. Next, at Input Format section, you choose the format that you want to use to import Facebook account. Click on this bar to choose the format. In case you want to add accounts in another format apart from the available one, you choose Other. Then you enter the format you want to import accounts here. The first one is UID. And the second one is password. Then 2FA. Then proxy. In case you choose proxy from account data at network session, you need to enter the proxy here. Click Save Format. Click OK. After that, you click on this bar at Input Format session. Choose the created format. Next, you import Facebook accounts into this box with the selected format. For example, these are the accounts that I want to use. Each account is on one line. And the format is UID, a vertical bar, password, a vertical bar, 2FA, and the vertical bar proxy. The proxy format here is IP:port. Finally, you click Add. Next, click OK. Then you click Close. Then you will see the imported account like this. To change the display configuration here, you click on Display Configuration button. Then on this Display Configuration dialog box, you tick on the boxes you want to display and untick on the boxes that you don't want to display. Then you click Add. You see the display configuration has changed here. Before running any features of this software, you need to choose the accounts you want to use. To select an account, you can tick on the accounts manually like this. Another way for you to choose accounts is highlight these accounts that you want to use. Right-click on this one, choose Selected, then choose Select or Highlighted. Then you can see the account has been chosen. To export these accounts, you choose the accounts that you want to export. For example, I want to export all accounts here. Then right-click on this account, select Export File. Next, to choose the disk or folder that you want to save the exported file. Then you enter the name you want to save into this file name section. Then click OK or click Save. After that, go to the folder that you save the exported file. This is the folder that I save exported file. And this is the exported file, Facebook one. These are the exported accounts. Each account is on one line. Alright, we have just finished basic settings. Now I will instruct you to run 3 features, including watch reels, watch videos, and watch stories. We start with watch reels. First, in Action Session, you tick on Watch Reels box. Then you click on this icon. The Watch Reels dialog box will appear. At what time second session here, you enter the number of seconds you want the bot to watch each reel. For example, if I enter 3 to 5 here, our bots will randomly watch each reel in 3 to 5 seconds. If you do not click on this watch a specific reel, our bots will watch reels randomly. In case you want to watch a specific reel, you tick on watch a specific reel here. Then you enter the ID of reels that you want to watch into this list of reel IDs box. Each ID is on one line. For example, this is the reels that I want to watch, and this is the ID of this reel. Copy this one, then paste it into this box. Similarly, you can enter multiple reel IDs here. Each ID is on one line. Next, if you want to like the reel after watching it, you click on like. Otherwise, if you don't want to like the reels, you do not click on like. Next, if you want to share the watch reel to your news feed, you click on Share to Feed. Otherwise, you do not click on this section. Then, at Comment section, if you want the bot to comment on reels after watching the reels, you click on Comment. Then, at Option sessions, you have 2 choices. You have two options here. In case you want to comment with one line content, you choose the content is only one line. Then you enter the comment content into this box. For example, these are the contents that I want to comment. I enter each content on one line. In case you want to comment with multiple lines, you click on the content has multiple lines at option sections. Then you use a vertical bar to separate the content here. For example, I use a vertical bar like this. If I enter the content like this, the bot will comment with three content. The first one, the second one, and the last one. Moreover, you can enter content here with Bing text format. For example, if you import content like this, the bot will comment with two content. You are so charming and you are so beautiful. In case you use Bing text format, you do not need to choose any option at option section. If you do not want to comment on Reels, you do not click on comment. After setting up all these sections, you click Add. Then you can click on Start button here to run this feature. However, in this video, I will instruct you to set up all three features. Then run these features at the same time. Next, come to the second feature, Watch Videos. Click on Watch Videos. Then click on this icon. You will see Watch Video dialog box. If you want the bot to watch videos randomly, you do not click on this box, Watch a specific video. If you want to watch a specific video, you click on this box. Then you enter the video link into this video link list box. Each link is on one line. For example, this is the video that I want to watch. Click on this time icon. Then copy the URL here. Paste it into video link list box. You can enter multiple links here. Each link is on one line. However, in this video, I enter one link only. Next, at watch time second sessions, you enter the number of seconds you want the bot to watch each video. For example, I enter 30 and 60 here. The bots will watch each video in 30 seconds to 1 minute randomly. Next, if you want to like the video after watching it, you click on like. Then you enter the number of likes you want to add. For example, I enter 10 to 15. The bots will randomly add 10 to 15 likes to each video. In case you do not want to like the video, you untick like. Next, if you want to share the videos to the account's newsfeed, you click on Share to Feed. Then you enter the number of shares you want to do. For example, if I enter 3 to 5, the bot will perform 3 to 5 shares to newsfeed. In case you do not want to share to feed, you untick this box. Next, at comment section, you tick on comment in case you want to comment on the watch video. Then you enter the number of comments you want to perform. For example, I enter 6 to 8. The bots will perform 6 to 8 comments randomly. Then you enter the comment content into this box. There are two options you can choose at option sessions. In case you want to comment with one-line content, you choose the content is only one line at option section. Then you enter the content into this box. Each content is on one line. For example, these are the content that I want to comment. Each content is on one line. In case you want to comment with multiple lines, you select the content has multiple lines at option section. Then you use a vertical bar to separate the content. For example, if you put the content like this, the bot will comment with two content. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Another way for you to import content here is use Spin That format. For example, if you put the content like this, the bot will comment, I like it or I love it. In case you use Spin That format, you do not need to choose any options at option section here. If you do not want to comment on videos, you do not click on this comment section. After setting up these sessions, you click on Add button. Next, come to Watch Stories feature. Click on Watch Stories. Then click on this icon. The Watch Stories dialog box will appear. You set up the number of seconds you want to watch story at watch time session. For example, I set 5 to 10. The bots will randomly watch each story in 5 to 10 seconds. Next, if you want to react with the story, you click on Show Emoticons. Then you click on the emoticons that you want to react. For example, I click on this one. Otherwise, if you do not want to react with the stories, you do not click on Show Emoticons. Next, similarly to comment sessions at Watch Reel and Watch Videos features, if you want to comment on stories, you click on Auto Comment. Then you enter the comment content into this box. If you want to comment on story with one line only, you choose the content is only one line. Then enter the comment content here. Each content is on one line. For example, these are the content I want to comment. Each content is on one line. In case you want to comment with multiple lines, you choose the content has multiple lines. Then use a vertical bar to separate the content. For example, if you put the content like this, the bot will comment with two content. This is the first one, and this is the second one. In case you want to use Spin That format, you can enter the comment content with Spin That format into this box, and you do not need to choose any option as option section. For example, if I put the content with Spin That format like this, the bot will comment with two contents. Thanks for these useful tips, and thanks for these helpful tips. If you do not want to comment on stories, you do not click on Auto Comment. After set up these sessions, you click Add. Finally, you click on Start button here to run the software. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to use our Facebook form from automation software, Facebook forming real phone version to watch reels, watch videos and stories automatically. You can visit our website qnibot.com to see other useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.